Located in one of Fort Lauderdale's most desirable neighborhoods, this high-rise condo perfectly blends vibrant city life with peaceful beachside relaxation. Step inside and discover a beautifully renovated one-bedroom, 1.5-bath retreat on the 20th floor. With 1,200 square feet of living space, this condo offers a bright, open layout, perfect for both comfort and style. The modern kitchen is designed with sleek finishes and all the conveniences you need, including an in-unit washer and dryer. In the spacious bedroom, you'll find plenty of room to unwind, with large windows that bathe the space in natural light. And finally, step out onto your private balcony to enjoy breathtaking ocean views, a tranquil escape just above the heart of Fort Lauderdale's vibrant lifestyle. It's the perfect place to call home.